Okay, students, now look here. Here I had created a class boundary. So I am giving just a class import java.util.asterisk semicolon. Now the class as boundary, and after this I am declaring a function void display such as, right, and here we are declaring an array int arr of size, say 5 by 5 as it is being asked in the question. Now what you have to do, you have to define the scanner object, scanner sc equals to new scanner, then system dot in. After that you have to give a message to the user, system dot out dot println, to enter the elements in the array, right? After that you have to apply the loop int I equals to 0, I less than say 5, I plus plus. Now the next loop will be for j equals to 0 and j less than again 5 and j plus plus. Now enter the elements arr of ij equals to sc dot next int, right? Now close the nested loop. Now what we had done up till here, we had just entered the value. Now next part we have to print it. So we can say or give the another function name. We are taking this function input and declaring a instance variable int arr and just instantiating over here in this input function, right? Now next function we are creating, that is to print only the boundary elements. So here we are closing this method and void display. Now in this display what you have to do, you have to apply the same loop. Here I am displaying, and you have to give the condition for boundary, that is if I double equals to 0 or j double equals to 0 or I equals to, say, if the size row and column is being given, at that time we will give r minus 1 and c minus 1, but here we are giving 4 as the last index will be 4 and j is also 4. Then only it will print system dot out dot print arr of I j, plus you can give the space or whatever you want to give. One space I am giving, and if it is not so, after that you will simply print system dot out dot println, not println, print and then one space. Here you can simply remove the space, here you can give the space, and after closing this in a loop you have to print system dot out dot println for next line. Clear? So here this is the program, students.